Hi everyone, we're the original factory for ceiling fan light blades. Today let me show you in 1 minute how a piece of high quality wood becomes a safe, beautiful ceiling fan. Step 1. Precise cutting. First, we draw the outline of the fan blade to determine its size and shape, then cut out the preliminary form of the blade. This lays the foundation. Step 2. Sanding and carving. We carefully shape and carve the blade to create smooth, elegant lines that complement the fan, blending beauty and functionality. Step 3. Polishing. We remove all surface burrs to bring out the natural wood grain, leaving a fine, smooth finish and enhancing overall quality. Step 4. Accurate drilling. Precise hole positioning is critical. Any deviation will cause the fan to wobble during operation, affecting safety and service life. Step 5. Eco-friendly coating. We apply an eco-friendly, low-odor coating that protects the wood from moisture, deformation, and fading, while also being safer for indoor use. Step 6. Air drying. The coated blades are left to dry naturally, ensuring a firm, durable finish that won't peel or fade easily. Step 7. Quality inspection and weighing. Every blade is individually weighed and inspected to eliminate defects. Uniform weight ensures stable, quiet rotation. From raw materials to finished products, every step is strictly controlled. Visible quality, reliable strength. Follow us for more updates.